The only reason I want to get him, one, is because this is the dog that you said yesterday nearly broke your finger. You had to let go of his lead. Yeah, but also because he is just so freaking handsome.
I don't know what he would be like though if we were still on the beach with like, you know, down.
I think he just loves water. Whenever he sees it, he just goes for it.
And just turn around and go back that way. Take him with you. So come on, let's go. Good, nice relaxed tail, nice relaxed body, you're relaxed. But if he walks like this for you, you're going to take him further and further and further.
Exactly. Before you know it, you've...
He is just stunning. Yeah, I only want a video of him because of how cute he is. But also in a positive sense, in less than, 2 minutes, we've had him outside and he's walking like this. Yeah. And yesterday he nearly broke your finger, so.
Absolutely.
Just stop, ask him to sit.
Oh, so sit down, sit.
Relax your arm and just give him a little fuss. Yeah, the bit that you're so good at. The bit that you love to do. But you're doing it because you've asked him to do something, because he's behaving well, look at that. Yeah? And then just say heel and walk towards me. That's it, look at that. Beautiful.